Let us see some basic numericals to apply the concept of integration. Integration of 4x power 6 minus 2x power 3 plus 7x minus 4 dx. So we need to open the brackets here. We need to write, because 4 is a constant, 4 into integration of x power 6 dx minus 2 into x power 3 dx plus 7 into integration of x dx minus 4 into integration of dx. So integration of x power 6 dx will be, we have seen the formula x power n, it is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it will be x power 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1. Similarly, minus 2 into x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Similarly, this will become 7 into x square by 2 minus 4x. The simplification part I am leaving to you. The procedure is more important. Let us see another one. Integration of z power 7 minus 48 z power 11 minus 5 z power 16 dz. Here the variable is z, so the answers will be in z. The formula remains the same. Integration of z power 7 dz minus 48 into z power 11 dz. I am taking the constant out, minus 5 into z power 16 dz. So z power 7 dz will be z power 8 by 8 minus 48 into z power 11 plus 1 divided by 11 plus 1, that is z power 12 by 12, and this will be z power 17 by 17 multiplied by 5. See this, integration of cube root of w plus 10 into fifth root of w into dw. So this can be written as w to the power of 1 by 3 plus 10 into w to the power of 1 by 5 dw. So just split it. Integration of w to the power of 1 by 3 w plus 10 into integration of w to the power of 1 by 5 dw. So this will become w into 1 power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1. It doesn't matter it is a whole number or a fraction, the formula remains the same. Plus 10 into w to the power of 1 by 5 plus 1 divided by 1 by 5 plus 1. Simplification I am leaving it to you. Next, integration of 4 by x square plus 2 minus 1 by 8 x power 3 dx. So x power 2 can be written as 1 divided by x power 2 can be written as 4 into x power minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 8 into x power minus 3. So we need to split this. So 4 will come out, integration of x power minus 2 dx plus 2 into integration of dx minus 1 by 8 into x power minus 3 dx. So here also the same formula, x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus integration dx will become 2x and 1 by 8 x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Let us see another one. This is trigonometric function, integration of sin x plus 10 cosecant square x dx. So open the brackets, it will become integration of sin x dx plus 10 into integration of cosecant square x dx. If you refer the standard formula for integration sin x dx, it is minus cos x, and for cosecant square x it is minus cot x. So the answer becomes minus cos x minus 10 into cot x plus c. See, in all these questions you can write plus c. Okay, sometimes it is mentioned in option, sometimes it is not, but basically whenever you do integration you have to add constant of integration. It's a general rule. See this, integration of 4 e power z plus 15 minus 1 by 6 into 1 by z dz. So once you open the brackets, it becomes 4 into integration of e power z dz plus 15 into integration of dz minus 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 of integration of 1 by z dz. Okay, so this becomes e power z remains e power z only, so it is 4 into e power z plus this becomes 15z minus 1 by 6. What is integration of 1 by z dz? It is ln z. See one more, integration of 12 plus cosecant theta into sin theta plus cosecant theta, this whole multiplied by d theta. Okay, so Let us simplify it. It becomes 12 plus cosecant theta into sin theta. It is 1 because cosecant theta is inverse of sin theta, plus cosecant into cosecant, it becomes cosecant square theta. So if you open the brackets, this becomes 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus cosecant square theta d theta. Open the brackets now. Further, 13 into integration of d theta plus cosecant square theta d theta. So integration of d theta will become theta, and cosecant square theta is minus cot theta. So this is how you can attempt problems. Now I'll give you the worksheet. Start working on them.